all the airplanes you've flown over your life, do you have a favorite?
I guess maybe the Swift. The Swift was the most, it had a 125 horsepower engine on it, and I put a 210. So I had more than double, or at least another 90% increase in power, and I could do anything with that airplane. It was a piece of cake. I had a 200, did I say I had a 210 horsepower in it instead of the 125, so
Ooh.
I had quite a capability.
Wow. So where did you fly that airplane? What were you doing with it?
I was just flying around local. I wasn't in the Air Force then. And I joined the Air Force to, I joined the Air Force to stay out of the Army because I was going to be drafted. And I was a clerk typist. And then the flying school thing came up, and I volunteered for it and got it. And then my instructor saw real quick that I could fly, and so he flew with me on Friday, and I flew solo Monday through Thursday, just because I was me.